Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle in this puzzle page. Not in today's newspaper on Monday, May the 22nd, 2023. No, it's the edition of the weekend. Saturday, May the 20th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle. That's the Sudoku with 1 star. Not actually 3 stars. It's time now for the binary. Yes, binary puzzle number 6473. 6473. Let me mark this. 6473. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 1s and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double, here 1, there 1. Double, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Do we have more double O's? Here, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Then need to think now. Yeah, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then, let me think. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Okay, and now 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Need to think. Come on, double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah, now. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Between 2 ones comes an O. Yeah, I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 there, the 5th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This can be 1. This should be an O. Okay, so here we have O also. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have here 4 O's in this row. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. If I place number 5, the 5th O there, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double O, here 1. there one, double one, here no, there no, double, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Yeah. I'm thinking. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here in this row. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Finish in 6 minutes. Well. We solve it again without comparing. Again. Well, I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles in the weekend edition. So see you later. Bye bye for now.